Even being the most cautious and careful driver, you cannot control events outside of your vehicle. That's why, like many other road users, you may experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now, there is something you can do about it. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey to identify dangerous drivers and avoid paying for their irresponsible actions. Well, several companies are offering dash cams. Are you confused about which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2-4k dash cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2-4k dash cam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately record your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2-4k dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 gigabytes Class 10 U3 speed microSD card. Moreover, the Rove R2-4k comes with a beautifully written professional user manual, which is easy to understand and detail-oriented for any dashcam enthusiasts. It is easy to use and easy to install. Here one of our reviewers said, "I am 91 years old and I love it. Easy to install and operate. If he can do it, then anyone." Rove R2-4k has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2-4k is all you need that won't break your bank. So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with Rove.